Good morning, fourth graders. This is our benchmark test number 5. This is the last benchmark test that we have for the year. We're supposed to do it after lesson 100. We're well past that, so these should be all review for you. Remember, we're going to write the answers out in front. I'm still willing to read them to you and then give you some hints, but you got to show all your work. Remember, show your work on this side. The boxes on this side can be as big as the boxes that you would use when you're in class. So make sure you show your work. Last time somebody didn't show your work, you just came up with an answer here, and then I'm not sure how you got that answer. So you got to show your work over here. Estimate, which means round these numbers. The sum, which means add, by rounding them to the nearest dollar. So go ahead and underline the dollar and look back, and then estimate it. Number 2, Lisa had 3 small cakes at her party. The children at the party ate 2 1/3 cake. How much cake was left over? In other words, 3 minus 2 1/3. Use your box. Number 3, the fraction 36/60th equals what? In other words, I need to reduce this one. Think about how you can reduce it. Now, if you pick 2 to reduce it by, you might have to reduce it again. Okay, so get it into small terms. Don't get fooled by the mixed number. Number 4, 6 quarts equals, go ahead and make your big G and then put your quarts in each one of them. Count up 6. How many are you going to have if you have 6 quarts? Which of these numbers is the least? Remember, you're going to line up the decimals. You might want to say this: $1 and 2 mil, $28 and 10 cents, 20 cents and 8 mil, or $201. 4 cubed equals what? So which one of these represents 4 cubed? And then number 7, a tissue box has the shape of what? A cylinder, a sphere, a pyramid, or a rectangular solid? Number 8, 3/4 of 36 is what? 3/4 of 36 is how you would write that one. Divide by the bottom number, multiply by the top number. The median of the ages 11, 10, 16, 10, 13, 10, and 14 is which of these numbers? Now, a couple of those you can throw out. For example, 6 isn't even up there. Okay? Remember to find the median, which is the middle number. You got to put them in order. Zach's running trail is 3,500 meters long. How many kilometers is Zach's running trail? Meters, kilometers, meters, kilometers, meters, kilometers. Number 11. Pete can run around the 4-mile trail with his father in about 27 miles. About how long does it take Peter to run 1 mile? 27 divided by 4. Think about this. What number close to 27 is divisible by 4? Which is a prime number? Prime number means it's only divisible by 1 in itself. 13. If 4n equals 20, then what does n squared equal? So you guys just pretend that second part's not here. 4 times what number equals 20? Now when you figure out that number, then put that number in for the n right here. And 14. What fraction equals half and has a denominator of 12? 1/2 equals something over 12. 2 times what number? Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. Alright guys, number 15. It says which of these is a composite number? In other words, not prime. Which one is not prime? 16. The square root of 25 minus the square root of 16 equals 17. Stay, change, flip. 3/5 divided by 3/5 equals what? Number 18. 15/16 minus 3/16 equals what? Do I need to reduce? And number 19, box, 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 box. Whole numbers over whole numbers, fractions over fractions. After you add those up, ask yourself, do I need to reduce? Which transformation must be used to position A onto B? Change A onto B. Is that a rotation, a reflection, a translation, or that's not even a choice, induction? All right, number 21. There are 2 grape juice boxes and 4 apple juice boxes in the cooler. If Matt takes one from the cooler without looking, what is the probability, is always written as a fraction, that the juice box is grape? Grape to the whole, part to the whole, grape over all of them. 22. Irene has 240 seeds to plant in her garden. There are 8 rows in the garden. How many seeds should Irene put in each row? In other words, 240 divided by 8. 23. It took Tate 117 minutes to read a short story that was 15 pages long. Use compatible numbers to estimate how many minutes it took Tate to read each page. 117 divided by 15. What number? Close to 117 does 15 go into? Now this one you might have to guess and check. Maybe you want to work backwards on this one. What is the mode? Mode means most often of these numbers. Not the biggest, the most often. Which number is here the most often? So guys, that's pretty easy because that and that are not even up there. And number 25. Which is the reciprocal of 2/5 written as a mixed number? So reciprocal means a flip. So flip that thing over, and then improper fraction, I must divide and see what you come up with. Guys, I thought that one was super simple from what you've been doing in class. Hopefully you ace that one. Go back, check it over, check your work, make sure all the answers are written out in front. Double check that your name is on top of the paper. Review the video if you need. Just pause it, and let's make sure we ace this one. God bless your day.